They're coming.
Carrots.
Carrots.
Look.
Come here. They're coming, Papa. They're calling the mommy and the daddy and the babies. They're calling everybody.
Come on.
You see them? They're coming. They're coming. See? They're coming. Look, they're coming. They're coming. Oh.
Come on.
Now, how's he gonna cross over? How are you gonna cross over?
Come on. So
You gotta go the other way.
Yeah, you're aware. Throw it over the fence.
Okay, let's go this way. Here. Let's go this way. Baby. Tristan. Right here. Oh, but you gotta be careful. There's wire here. Over here. Over here. Tristan, look. Give it to them like that. Look at all that. Look at all that. Look, they're all coming. Oh my God, Grandpa. Oh. Look at it. They're like, oh, it's a little one. We have to get them the big ones. Those are maybe too small. Oh, there's one here. Kristen. There's one here. Look, she's saying, what about me? And then you gotta come back. No.
Tina, come. Out of your hand. Put it up right there.
You put it like this.
No.
Oh, she's a girl. Yeah. Look at her eyelashes.
Here, let me have one here.
Look, give one to Grandpa so you can see how he does it.
Here.
Oh, come on.
Come here.
Tristan. Here, let me find it. Ah, yeah, there you go.
Come here.
You got it?
Give me that one, Trisha.
There you go. Look.
Here.
Watch. Look.
Here. Come on.
You're dropping them all, Poppy. All of them. Good. Look. See? Come here. He's no. Just throw them to me. You don't want them. Okay, let's go over here. Look, because these want them. Hi. Oh my God, he looks like Dudley. This one. He looks just like Dudley. Oh my God. He's like a reincarnation. He's like a reincarnation of Dudley. That might have been the sun.
Look, the big times are
They're doing pee-pee. Tristan, they're pee-pee. They're doing pee-pee. See? Like you.
It's a sun hill.
Yes. He's so pretty.
Give him them
He's like a big